welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the sun is up TikTok trend, which is a really cool trend that looks hard, but it's actually not that hard at all. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to stand with our hands down, and then they're going to go up, down, and then our left hand goes up, and then it goes down. Okay, once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And along with that, with our legs, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, on every one of these 4 beats, our right leg, our right knee goes up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after that, we're gonna stand with our legs apart. Our right hand goes up, left hand just goes here, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna swing 4 times. And then we're gonna do this move. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So basically to do that, we're gonna step back with our right leg, back with our left leg, and forward with our right leg. And then the same to the other side. Back with our left, back with our right, to the front with our left. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And now with our hands, there are a lot of different ways we can do this with our hands, but people usually go like this. 1 and then 2. So basically just do a circle with their hands just like that. So 1, 2. Perfect. So let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So after this, what we're going to do is we're going to step forward with our right leg, and we're going to go heel, toe, heel. So basically, our heel goes towards us, then our toe goes towards us, and then our heel goes towards us. And then we're going to do a small jump on our right leg, and our hands are going to go either towards us like this or over our head. So 1. Once again, 1. Perfect. Let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Perfect. So after this, what we're going to do is we're going to do the kick, step, step. So basically to do this, we're going to do it twice. Kick, step, step. Kick, step, step. And to do this, we're going to kick first with our right leg. Then we're going to step on this leg. And then our left leg goes back. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So at the beginning it might be a little bit confusing, but then just first try to do it slow, then a little bit faster, and you'll get it. So once we did it to the right, we're gonna go to the left. So we're gonna kick with our left leg, stand on that leg, and our right leg goes back. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then with our hands, we're just gonna go like this, and then switch on every move that we make. So when we kick, we go like this. When we step, we go like this. And when we go back with our leg, we go like this. So switch, switch, switch. Switch, switch, switch. Just like that. So after we've done these 2 moves, what we're gonna do is we're gonna kick with our right leg, and then it's just gonna do like a circle towards us. We're gonna kick again, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump, stand on both legs, and do a wave up. So this move is gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, and that's it. That's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First we're gonna go slow, then fast, and we're done. So first let's go slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Kick, step, step. Kick, step, step. 1, 2. Wave. Just like that, and now the same thing, but a little bit faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Kick, step, step. Kick, step, step. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye!